Hey, what's up YouTube? Happy Thanksgiving here in the US and Black Friday if this is still up on Black Friday. This is a very quick video. I just wanted to share with you guys some coupon codes that I have for the Mavic Air combo. Now this is a part of a Black Friday deal. You can use the link below. It's my affiliate link that will take you to buy these buy the Mavic Air combo, and then with these coupon codes you'll get an additional 5% off. And the good thing is this is able to be used in combination with the sale that they're already having. This gives you an additional 5% off. The codes are right here, and I'll put a screenshot of them up if you can't read them. There's basically 5 of them. It's RSD, DJI, C1, RSD, DJI, C2, all the way through RSD, DJI, C5. So it's Ready, Set, Drone, DJI. They are available for one-time use each. I'll put those codes into the description below, so it's first come, first serve. Once they're all gone, I'll pull this video down because there's no point in having it up if these codes aren't available anymore. But I thought I'd share them because I'm not going to use them, and hopefully you guys can get some value out of them. An additional 5% off, and again, it's good with their current sale that they're having for Black Friday. So if you're thinking about buying a Mavic Air, please feel free to use these codes. Hit me up in the comments if you're able to do it successfully, or if you aren't. I would also like to know that. Hope that is helpful. Hope you have a great Thanksgiving here in the US, and I hope you have a great day no matter where you are. Take care.